Folks, we're doing vlog style, showing you the mess at the house while we put up some trees. We only do 12 trees, so, you know, we have 3 up, I think, but we're going to show you around and make it fun right here on my take on home and garden. Like I mentioned in the last video, Angela's helping, so all you fans that love her dearly, you'll get to see her. So here's a new tree this year that's going to go by the piano. And this is just to give you an idea of what we deal with. You saw the fireplace. This has all got to move. This is all florals, spring, fall, summer. Okay. So let's look in here. Look at that work. Hi, honey. There's a chair to bump into, a tree. Now this is a new pencil tree. It's kind of an oversized pencil tree. It's really a slim. And we put that on a motorized turntable this year. And it's going to be, can you tell? The nutcracker tree. It's gonna be good, but we just thought we'd give a sneak peek at what we're doing. Then you remember being my take when I came to the closet under the stairs. This is how it looks now. This is all that's in it. And it's 4 bins of pillows and stuffed Santas and teddies and snowmen and so on that we don't need out yet. Now this is a tree that's going up in the loft. And I just took the one up in our bedroom. And believe it or not, this center area right here are the decorations for the main tree, the family tree. It's not even in the house yet. We have not cracked the shed yet. But this is what was under the staircase. So we're gonna take a look at some. I just got these turntables for this year. You can put anything you want on it, up to 20 pounds. Got them on Amazon. We'll link the description in the box. Just the mess for this weekend. We've been going for a week. Here's another one. Just give you a sneak look. They come with a light, so you can put glass, you can put, you could put your favorite vase on there or anything. Just crazy about them. Angela's got the slim tree turning now on the turntable.
There's something clicking down there.
We've never something dragging.
Yeah.
We've never had one, but we wanted to do it. for you this year. Really gonna be different. This is my personal favorite, Victorian Santa. He is special. Probably the plug I didn't tie up. So anyway, that's our quick peek at turntables and house messes and what we're doing this weekend. Just thought you'd like to see. So folks, if you liked our video, give us a hello, a shout, a smile, a subscriber. Take care now. And we'll be back with some real substance because we're getting some trees done. Thanks guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next Christmas video.